Hello, my ICTA students. This is your review number 1, a silk sash. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is put on no spacing and make sure your show and hide, and you know your show and hide is on at all times, don't forget. And we are to key in the heading a silk sash. So a silk, and make sure you put a capital S, sash, S-A-S-H. And press enter. I'm going to say 3 times instead of 2 times, but that's okay. And then it says for you to save it. So we're going to go File, Save As. We're going to go to Intro and make sure this says the U drive, ICTA, Intro. All right, click in the file name box, press Home, type in your name, and type the current date for you. All right, and it still reads a silk sash. That's good. Save. Okay, so now it says left double click on the word silk, so go Control C, and then go Control End and go Control V. All right, press enter twice and double click on sash, go Control C, go Control End, go Control V and press enter twice. All right, Control S to save your work. So it says to us, go and get the definition of silk. So you're going to go to your dictionary.com and search for silk. And here we've got, now did it say 1 definition or 2? 1 definition. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 definition. Go Control C, I'm going back to Word, and I'm going to go to paste. Remember, text only. And now press enter twice so that you separate your definitions. Now let's go get the definition for sash. So you're going to put in sash, S-A-S-H, and you're going to take 1 definition. Go Control C, go back to Word, and remember, go to paste and say text only. All right, go Control S to save. So now it asks you to format the word sash with bold, italics, size it up 3 times, and put on small caps and expanded spacing. So go to Font, get your small caps, go to Advanced, put in 6 points of expanded spacing. And that's good. And put a color on. I'm going to put red. Okay. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to double click on my paintbrush. And I want to point here with the white arrow on silk and on a silk sash. And now center it. Size it up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Your control right square bracket. And cycle through now. Shift F3. Uppercase, lowercase, title case. 1 more time. Uppercase, lowercase, title case. Note the capital A, capital S, and capital S in title case. All right, save it. And let's do your headers and footers. So let's go to Insert. And let's go to Header. And the first thing you do is blank. And you type in your first and last name. You put a capital letter on each, your first name, and a capital letter on your last name. Remove the center tab. Press your tab key and go to, we want to have page number, and remember, current position, accent bar 2. Okay, good. Now, go to footer, and you want to go to quick parts, field, and you want document information, file name, add to path. All right. Take off your center tab, press your tab key, and put in your date and time, the 3rd date, and don't update automatically. All right. Shift home, size it down, control left square bracket, 1, 2, 3, and that's good. Close out, and now go Control S. Okay, so the only thing we have left to do is put your pictures in. So go to the end of your document here. And we need, first of all, silk. So we're going to go to Insert, Online Pictures, and we're going to put in silk. So S-I-L-K. And let's see what we have for pictures. Okay, many pictures. What do you think you like? I'll maybe go with this one. All right, and insert. Okay, so you can see all the silk there and the different colors. Size it down a little bit more, and we want to make it square. Don't forget that. And we want to put a border on it. So let's, no. Oh, I think the white border will be right there is good. All right. Okay, and now we want to go to Insert, Online Pictures, and we want to get a sash. Okay, now a sash. Those are sashes. That's a sash. That's sash. Let's see what there is. That's a sash. So is this. I think I'm going to go back and pick these ones. These are the ones used in the Festival de Voyageur in February in Winnipeg. So we'll use those ones. All right, and we want to size them down. And let's put a frame on them. Maybe a, no. I think that kind of goes all right. That'll be all right. And did we make it square? Now we did. Okay, and then another picture of our choice. Let's go back to Insert, Online Pictures, and I'm going to go back to Silk. And this one kind of looks nice to me, so I'm going to take this one, Insert. All right, and I'm going to size it down, and note that I always use a corner handle, right? And now we want to, I don't want to make it any bigger. All right, let's see if we can find a nice frame for it. Maybe that one right there. Okay, that's good. Now we want to make it square, and you know if you don't make it square, it won't center for you. So click on your first one. I think I'm going to move this first. I'm going to put this over here. Maybe put this in here. Okay, so I'm going to take this one, and this one, and this one. All right, with my Shift key. And now we're going to go to Align and say Align Middles. And then we're going to say Align, Distribute Horizontally, and then we want to say Group. Okay, and keep your pictures in the middle. So that's good. Let's go to View. Let's go to One Page. And now you see your header, you see your footer, you see Silk Sash, your definitions with 2 spaces in between, and your pictures. That's good. That's perfect. Save it, and now we'll go back to Page Width, and we'll stop there.